All right, guys. I wanted to sleep on this before giving any comments. I like to share my comments, as you know. First and foremost, God bless the innocent guy. I wish I knew his name. I think he was a fire chief that lost his life yesterday. God bless Trump. God bless Trump. Protect Trump. God bless America and protect America. Continue to protect America. We are in the middle of a spiritual war right now. Whether we want to admit it or not. So, I'm not here. I think it's time for unity. I'm not here to point fingers. Liberals do this guy said that. We have time for that. You need more information. And honestly, even it's pointless. But I want to ask you guys what you felt. All of my moderate friends, Democrat friends, what did you feel when you saw that happen? And he got up and he pumped his fist in the air saying, "Fight." What did you feel? What did you think? And what did you see? What I saw was a man that loves this nation so much and would die for it. And I feel the same way. So when you look around, and I want this to be a time for unity, and this should be a time for unity, but you don't have to look far to see hate right away. Go on Facebook. Go look at your liberal aunt's Facebook post and look at the comment section. You have a quarter of this country that their first impression after seeing that was they were mad that he got up. Or at the very least, indifferent to it. Like, maybe it was partly deserved. So I think it's very important to decipher, to pick what side you're on. Because this is not about Trump. This is not about politics, blue and red. This is good versus evil. This is God versus godless. And when you see a reaction like that, you decide for yourself. Connect the dots for yourself, which side God is on. God bless you guys. I have more thoughts on this a little bit later. I'll post them up later. Take care.